The ripped orange data analysis course is all about understanding how to construct formulas and functions. We'll start with the basics, being able to create addition, multiplication, and so forth. We'll also look at being able to use the shortcuts to fill data easily and to be able to use some of the automatic or automated functions. Once we've done that, we'll work through a progressive level of steps to conclude with being able to construct sophisticated nested if statements where we learn how to understand precedence and nesting within a function, as well as being able to use both absolute and relative cell referencing. This course is a progressive course which builds on the skills from one step to another.